Hello everyone, welcome back to my Unreal Engine tutorial series on how to create an open world game. So today, of course I'm going to continue with my host tutorial, and before that I have an special announcement to make. So from today onwards I have changed my channel, the branding name to 𝐒𝐻𝐴. Hope you guys like it, and since my channel is growing, I thought it would be better to have some user-friendly name instead of using my own name. So right, and I have already changed my channel name as 𝐒𝐻𝐴, and also eventually I will change my other Facebook page and Patreon name to the 𝐒𝐻𝐴. So right. Okay, back to work. So today what I'm going to do is I'm going to implement continue with my host tutorial with I'm gonna give the ability to get mount onto the host character, and then I'm gonna pass the character player control to the host character, and then with the key E, I'm gonna make the player character, or the human character, get down from the host and pass the control back to this on foot character, like this. Now I'm on the host, and this is the I'm looking around with the host camera, and but I haven't still implemented movements, and I'm going to do that in the next episode. And then even if I press the movement keys, they are not working for now like before, and if I press the E again, then this character will get down from the horse, and now I can move around like I used to do. Right, so let's do that part, and then let's move on to horse movement and other stuffs. And this episode is sponsored by these generous Patreons. Thank you very much for the support you guys are giving me. That means a lot to me. And still, my Patreon page name is 𝐒𝐿𝐻𝐴, and I'm planning to change that to 𝐒𝐻𝐴. And yeah, if you like to support my work, and if you want to know more about the stuff I'm doing, and also if you have more questions about regarding these things, you can get the membership of my Patreon page, and depending on the tier you join, you will have different privileges as I have explained in this section. Okay, so right, let's get started. Okay, so for that I should have implemented the toggle input function for the player, and let's implement it here, because with this function I'm going to pass the control to the player again. Okay. I can copy that from here. The player human. Okay, I'll quickly collapse this. Toggle input. Right. Now now in the horse model, mount horse, I'll name it this one, mount unmount So that way I can use the same thing to implement both functions and this inside the same node. Okay, so this is start interaction which implemented through the interface. So to unmount, what is the key I should use? For now I'll use E, which I define for interaction. Interact. This one. Okay, so when I press the interact key, I should pass the control back to whatever this interacting actor. So here I'll promote this to a variable. I'll name it rider, and then okay, I can use it like this, right? And then I'll get this rider character and toggle input true when I press the interact button, in this case E. Also I should move this character to the ground as well. So, and I should detach this character, so the rider would be attached to the horse at the moment like this, and I should detach from the rider location from this pair, and also I should change the movement mode back to working as well. Okay, so let's do them. First, before enabling input, hit the rider and movement component, movement mode. What is the method? Set movement mode. Wait. Set movement mode. Okay. To walking or falling. Let's set falling. See. And then I should change the location. Well, this is the rider location. I'll duplicate this one and get down location. I'll define a get down location like this. Okay, and set location. Well, this would be a quick snap-in, but let's fix them to smooth movements with animations later. The location should be get down location, get world location. Okay, and what else we should do? Well, I was testing, so I am still attached to the hose, so I should detach it. So how can I detach it? Detach from component. Let's try this one. I'm not sure this is the right function I should use, but let's try this one. Location rule, keep word. Okay, let's see how that works. Right, good enough. And let's get down with the, okay, seems fine. And get up again, okay, and get down, right. But I don't like that the character is still like in the sitting pose when he's off the horse. So we should stop that montage. How to do that? The rider stop animation montage. And as the input I should give this one, male sit-in position. Even if I didn't give this exact montage, it will work, but it will also stop if I have played any other montages. So I should want only to stop that montage. That's why I gave that reference. Okay, mounted and unmounted. Character work as normally. Again mount, right, and unmount. Okay, I think that wraps up today's session. And in the next episode, let's implement movement for this horse character. So now we can successfully get up and get down from the horse. The next step is walking on the horse. Alright, so that's all for today, and thanks for watching. Feel free to check my Patreon account as well, and also if you have any questions you can contact me via Patreon, or let me know in the comment section below or in the Facebook page. Alright, see you in the next episode. Goodbye.